the Sony ZV1, my choice for the best compact camera for vlogging. The ZV1 is compact enough to fit in your pocket and weighs just over 10 ounces, so it's the perfect camera for vlogging on the go. It has a comfortable grip and a 3-inch flip-out screen that tilts up and down, making it easier to compose the selfie focus. The ZV1 is packed with features that make it a great choice for vlogging for starters. It has a 21 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures incredible detail and produces stunning image quality. It also shoots 4K high dynamic range footage and has great image stabilization, so you can achieve smooth and fluid footage. And with its fast autofocus system, you'll never miss a shot. The hybrid system allows you to shift focus from face to the background with a simple touch of the screen. It also has real-time eye autofocus, so it keeps the focus on the face and the eyes. Plus, it features optimized color with enhanced skin tone reproduction, so everyone looks natural. Now, another feature that vloggers will appreciate is the ZV1 forward directional built-in microphone. This mic is designed to capture your voice clearly while minimizing background noise. Plus, there's a detachable windscreen included to further improve audio quality in windy conditions. And an MI shoe and mic jack for more audio options. And the ZV1 has a host of other features that vloggers will love. For example, there's a one-touch background blur button that instantly adds beautiful background blur to your shots. And there's a product showcase setting that automatically switches focus to an object when you hold it up to the camera. The Sony ZV1 is the best super compact vlogging camera on the market. In addition to its practical design, it has incredible image quality, great autofocus, and a host of other vlogger-friendly features.